Hey, good morning. Well, today we are weaning our calves. All of our steers except our 4-H animals, our bulls, and our replacement heifers. So we got a lot of sorting to do. It's gonna be a long day, and we're trying to get all of our steers in the first pass. We got a couple neighbors' trailers, so I'm gonna head out there, get them feed, so we can start the process. Okay, I didn't know all the ways they'd come in. I think we got just about all of them in here. I got a gate here I gotta close. And then when they're all in the alleyway there, then I'll close off that gate. The key is to get them all in. Once you got them in, then we'll figure a way to sort them. Okay, I'm hoping this is the last of them. Oh, there's still some more on the corner. Two, 4, 6 left. Come on, let's go. Oh, that back one has got his head up. Come on. Oh, we got some more coming. I don't know.
heifer, and we'll want to go for a drive because there might be something around there.
Yeah, it wouldn't be a bad idea to rip around the corner and just make sure.
Well, my only thing is let's get these ones in first. Because I don't, like, there was nothing from that I could see over there. These are cows anyway?
Yeah, heifers. Like, to me, it doesn't matter if these ones come in.
Right, reality is if they stayed out, it wouldn't really matter, but.
You probably look around the corner and that should.
Well, there was nothing in the yard. Let's go walk.
Hey. Yeah, we gotta cut that. There's a few things we gotta do now. Now that they're all in, now we gotta set a few panels up. More on the outside than the inside. But now, I guess reality is if I can get the feed wagon out, we go bring the feed wagon out, then we take a load out there, and then we sort the cows out, and then they'll go eat. If you guys want to close that gate off, if there's nothing there, close that gate off, Peter, and
does this one get closed?
Yeah, you can close this one. I'm sure it's been moved, so we can it might not reach right now. Okay. I'll go grab the tractor, and we'll load up another load. And if you guys want to start sorting out cows, then like, I don't really have a way right now to move the calves into the middle, but I figured we'd figure that out. Like, all we have to do is come in here with the tractor and remove a panel, move them in, and then we can do our final sorts there. But yeah, yesterday was beautiful. Yeah, so I'll come back with the tractor, and then which gate needs to get moved? Probably that other one. Oh, if you want to do that, that works too. Push them!
Push them!
All right, close that up. We got more in. I had this gate open. Well, we can. If you guys want to sort or move them in there, I wouldn't get them running. Yeah. Yeah, like this gate opens and we have a little bit open right there. But if you guys want to sort cows right out, that's.
We had about 15, but I'm like, I'm not doing it until I know what you want to do.
Well, no, it's just we can get rid of the cows anytime.
Okay, that's what I was
And
then calves are just like.
yeah, and this is open right there. So we want to close that off, unless we want to move calves in. But to me, the biggest thing is getting cows out, because the calves, in theory, can always be jumping to this side.
Right. We need to get cows out, right?
Yep. And then we can lock them in the very south or northwest corner pen, and then they can't get feed. Like the steers will go in the northwest corner. Okay, the guys are out there, they're sorting cows out, and I'm gonna grab some feed to help bring the cows out of there, and then they've got their food for the day. Once we get the cows out, then it's a matter of us just separating our steers and our heifers, because we want our first load to be all steers. So this is the plan. I've got my load. They've got a lot of the cows out, which will be the easier part. and then it's a matter of working with the calves. Yeah, everything's over here. All right, all three of these heifer calves we're actually keeping, but we've got to do, our steers are gone. I didn't do any videoing because it was a little chaotic, but Daryl got them away. And now we got to go through our heifers and which ones we're keeping. And these three are all keepers, but we got to sort them all out. Come on, girls, let's go. This is a beauty. Okay, I think the best is to let's just go over there and just move them from pen to pen and just all into the far pen. Yep. Up there. Sorry. We haven't done this before where we weaned our own calves right here. So we'll see how that goes. Hey? I need you to back up. Please. Thank you. Let's push, wondering if we... Yeah. Yeah, I just got one partially. Lindsay, you want to jump through and help Dylan?
Yeah, just push that, get that one back.
Yeah. Oh, that was hard. She heard me. Okay, let's try and move them in slowly. Yeah, just keep filing them. Put a little bit of pressure on. It's gonna be loud. They're missing their mommies. What's that? Oh, I like her. We're just gonna move these ones into that pen. Then we're gonna move these ones into that. We're gonna put everybody in that pen. Move to your right. A little more. Come on, let's go. There, one goes.
I should have just taken that gate off.
They're going.
Get them right back. If one's like that one, like 71 or...
That's 50.
71's right there.
Oh, okay.
I was just saying, if they want to get out, let them. The ones that we want to keep. I wouldn't look at it too hard.
They're going. Our heifer crop looks really good this year. It looks better than our steers. Besides this one with no tail and no ears. Maybe if you want to move over a little bit. We got one right here. It's a steer, but it's got pink eye, so we're gonna have to treat that one. It's a steer that we didn't ship because of the pink eye. So there. Got some boards we're gonna have to screw on.
Where do we sort back?
Oh, I'd keep all three of those, but that's me. 50 yen?
Who's the mom?
Which one is it? What's the number on that one?
120. She's getting kept, I just want to know.
Okay, go find the number. What's 50N marked down as? No, if it's blue, it's blue is good, green is to go.
It's not anything.
Anything? Okay, so who's the sire?
See?
6K. Oh, that's a good one. I like this one. That's off 6K. Well, let's do the for sure's and then let's. Okay. Well, 50,
that one, but she doesn't have a tail.
54.
What?
That's a keeper.
34?
Is that, what is that?
That's a big calf. Good birth weight.
One, that front one. Take that 41. 41N. This is the problem.
41N is 30G, 35G.
Oh, shit.
That's going to be the problem. Come on, girl, you got to go back. Okay, can we walk them both? What was the weight of that one?
This one I think was actually decent.
Okay, let's move them both. Come on, let's go. Yep. 41. Yeah, that's fine.
118.
Yeah, 100, anything under 120, I'm fine with.
51N.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, my problem is I don't like the mom. But she looks good. We can experiment.
What's wrong with the mom?
It's 35G. She gives good calves, but I think she gonna give good calves.
Oh no, she calved it no problem on her own.
Do you want me to stand?
I remember that one.
I just can hear you guys with all the cows.
Yeah, you just stand here and we'll yell at you.
Two. Well, I would keep 71. We don't have.
Well, let's take that one right there. 8 for sure. Those two, all three of them, or just the one.
I keep this one. I would be different.
We're gonna get hammered with her, but
Why?
because she's a roan.
You know, I ship some of those.
Yep.
I would, if she goes through, we can. I leave her out. We know these two are going.
Yeah, they're definitely keepers. Get it out of the way, get out of the way, get out of the way, get it. $62N, yeah, it's fine.
62N.
And what was that from one? 7N?
8N.
8N.
Yeah, 7 and 9 are going.
Which ones?
Yeah, I would stop. I don't want all those going through.
Stop, go walk. These three are?
Peters, 13. Yeah, those two.
Oh,
Maybe that's that one. See those get these two.
I'm coming.
No, you are staying for now.
There we go. What numbers?
13 and 15. No, that's not.
Okay, so how we pick some of the animals is their birth weight, who their mom is, the sire, how they look. A couple things play into it. Actually, lots of things play into it, but this beautiful roan one. Yep.
I like that one.
Yeah, she looks good.
I've been wanting another purple cow.
118.
Just 18.
Yeah, Dylan, you know, I don't mind 13N.
Sorry?
I don't mind her. Like that's a twin?
No, that's not. The twin's in there already.
The little twin?
No, the big twin.
Yeah, I know, but that's the little twin.
No, the big twin's for 14. The little
one's 14, the big one's 13.
Oh, I thought that was 13. Are we wanting 13?
On my keeper list.
Okay, we'll grab it. Well, 317 looks to me that.
Just this one.
Run it.
Just one.
Okay. All the black ones typically we don't keep a whole lot of. A lot of our black ones are off of our heifers. This one. Yep. Just the one. Yep. That's fine. Perfect.
Oh, bull has to stay in one steer half.
Yep. Go to your left. Get some in there. Okay, these are the ones we are saying goodbye to.
Get those.
Oh, these ones are moving nice. Dylan? He's making you work for it. Okay, let's go. Come on. Yep. How many is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
How many is that? It's 12 or 13. Okay, we need a couple more.
You hold them in there. Okay, Peter. Yep. We're shipping all ears. They didn't behave. So we got one in here. We got to put the CCIA tag in, and that's it, I think. No tags.
No tag, no
Like
ears.
structure-wise, she's phenomenal, but the no tail is a kind of a deal breaker.
So we gotta check for buttons.
I think we're good on all of them except that one.
Or have you got the numbers all written down?
Not on these ones. Lindsay has. You know, wherever she is, she'll write them down as they're coming. Let's put that one first, then we can get it over with. Got our double alien. If we can.
And if not,
It's not a big deal.
don't waste a whole lot of time. Push it, Ted.
There. Perfect. That's the one we wanted to go first. Come on. She's nice and quiet.
Beautiful calf, we just don't have
Dang
a
it.
tail. I don't care about the ears. I want the tail.
Okay, let's bring the rest.
We'll have to just double and triple check on this.
I've looked on it. Well, I'm quite confident. Come on there. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Yep. Come on. As long as they don't turn around up there.
If they get going consistently, they should.
If they can go on both sides, that would be ideal. There we go.
I'll walk the left side, the right side. If we had a little bit more on the back end, I would have kept this one, but not enough. One more?
We might not get those last two on.
One more, not two. Which is fine.
Is it full?
Oh yeah, we're.
It's solid up there.
I think we can get this one in, but not that one.
Oh, that's gonna be.
Come on. Well, what have we got left out there?
Yeah.
I
There.
think we better. Oh, we can try it.
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Let's go. Come on. Yep.
Come on.
Oh yeah.
14.
What's this corner like?
Yeah, it's very.
She wants on.
She'll go. Okay. We definitely do not need more. Alright.
Okay.
Mama. You got 61, 77,
5.
I have 77.
38,
5.
5, and this better be 4. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
4.
How many have you got? Hey, Peter, you already opened the door?
We'll open this.
Get going, calves.
23 and 15. 38. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
One more.
Oh yeah. No problem. We got this steer right here. Nice looking steer, but got pink eye. Not sure why. So we got to treat him, and then he'll be sticking around for a while. And then the one here, 104, is going to be a bull that we've kept, and we're going to see how he works out. We will see. Like it is a very nice looking steer.
Why don't we keep it extra?
Sorry?
Well, we got to keep it now for like 8 weeks. It's sticking around for a long time.
Okay.
Because we can't.
But we've always talked about doing an extra for each animal.
Yeah, I know. Yep.
I wouldn't argue.
Okay, let's go. Come on, buddy.
It's a nice looking animal.
Yeah. Hey, you want
He's blind on that side, so you just got to be careful.
She has pink eye.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Come on, let's go. No.
Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy.
You okay?
All right, let's go.
Come on. Yep. No, we got to let him find it on his own. That bull's going on his.
Get, boy.
Come on.
Get, boy.
I'm sorry,
boy.
buddy.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy.
It doesn't have an eye.
Well, no, it does. It's just it's like fuzzy, right? So he can't. Let's run it on this side. Oh, he can't see us though.
Hey, boy.
Keep running.
He's gonna have to figure it out.
There we go. Done. There we go. Lindsay, you want to put this stick in?
Put it in the front one there.
Right here, this one.
Oh, buddy, you're not so smart.
Well, open that gate, let the bull through. No, not. Oh, yes, yeah, I get you. Reality is we can push the. It doesn't really matter. There you go. All right. Do you want to stand on that side, Linz? All right, buddy, let's go. Oh, you got the other one right there. You should have enough room. Okay, I'll drive it ahead and then we can treat him. As you can see, you can't see it. Poor fella. We'll get you treated up.
Oh,
Shut up, Liz.
just like her.
for preg checking is on Thursday, so in a couple days from now. Yeah, so hopefully that goes good. But anyway, it's a beautiful day. It's almost the end of November, and we've had great weather, but it is supposed to get colder. So hopefully it freezes before it. Hopefully it freezes before we get too much snow, and that's kind of what it sounds like it'll happen. But we'll see. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and have yourself a good one.